everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hadi and today is an exciting day because I'm unboxing my very first drone, the DJI Mini 3. And let's jump right into this box and see what's inside. Just show me it's low battery and I have bad connection.
Take off.
I'm near the office and already registered my drone and ready to my first flight. Let's go. It's so hot. Alright, I'm incredibly excited, nervous. My first drone flight, yay! And yeah, it's so cool. I need to, oh yeah, this is up, right, left, back. Oh. My drone doesn't have, how to say, avoiding system, so very slowly and gently. Come back to me. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, it's so cool. I am again on this stadium. Okay, I check my weather condition. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.